On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio.
What? Man, I be going live like 5 Alive. You guys be drinking that 5 Alive orange twang tang tang? My God, holy smokes, do it. My God, I've been live Piper's Academy. Okay, morning, wait, let's count again. Morning update video, Piper's Academy. I did a teaching session today. Crypto Blood. Live show. Are we going to have to do like a before bedtime show as well? Before Woo-wee. And guess what? I also am making a vlog. The camera's upstairs. Making a vlog. I've been digging out a trench, okay? I've been digging out a trench. We're trenching for a waste pipe, okay? For where the waste goes. What's going on, chat? What's going on, guys? We got B Team Crypto in the chat. The newest modder Otter in the gang, man. What's going on, B Team? Congratulations on your modder Otter status. Wick in the chat. All set. Overcome. Jorn Besser. My man, Jeet Corp. David Brumbelow, the man, the myth, the legend. Blockchain bro. Blockchain brah. Gang. Let's go. None of ya None of ya. We going sky high, guys. We going sky high. Slam banjo. We need more no shorts. Let me get him. Let me get him. Luigi. Hey, Luigi. They're calling you. They want you. Come on. Come on. They need you. They're requesting you. You need to come say hello. Otherwise, they're going to be upset. Okay? Guys, I want to see the no sky high emojis, guys. Let's see that no sky high. Watch your step. Careful. Watch the hole. It's a dangerous world, man.
And you know who make the dust? You.
I made all the dust.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, you shower the stuff there. I don't make the dust.
You didn't make it. I did.
No.
Everybody wants to see you.
Okay.
Come and say hello. Come.
Hello. Whoever they.
Look, see?
Hey.
Come down.
Well,
Here, let's adjust the camera.
okay.
Look, there's you.
Where's me?
Right here.
Hey. Hello. Hello.
And look at all of them here. You see here?
Madonna.
Madonna. Look at all of them.
Holy Jesus.
They all want to see you. They don't care about me now.
Oh, well. I wonder why.
You-
You abuse them.
I abused them.
Yeah. Me, I'm the nice guy. Believe me.
He's the nice guy.
Yeah. You
Okay.
didn't listen anyway.
No.
No.
Fuma?
No. No, I fuma already.
You already had a smoke.
Okay.
You gonna put it over there?
I guess so.
Oh, say ciao.
Okay.
He's going to hide the cigars.
Yeah. I don't want you to smoke anymore.
No fuma, eh? I quit smoking 3 years ago. 3 years, no cigarettes.
I know. I see the,
Let's go.
I see the yellow on your.
You see the halo?
Yeah.
Don't let it choke me, eh?
Hey. No, I like to talk.
Well, you know.
There's no dust over there.
Okay, there's no dust.
When you shovel the crap with it.
It's because I shoveled all the crap.
Yeah.
Okay, you're back.
Okay.
Okay, so what is your kind words? You see everybody here. You see this. This is you, Mr. Sky High. Okay.
Yeah.
Crypto Blood is in the chat. Jorn Besser, Mr. Wick, Alexandra G. Buonasera says no ciao. Buonasera.
Buonasera, hey.
Yay.
That's me, hey.
Yeah, In and Out Crypto, all set. Everybody's waving. They're all so happy to see you.
Buddy? Here I am. Come and get me.
Come. No, you're mine.
Okay.
I'll protect you.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you. I got protection now. I can say what I want. Hey. Hey. I even shaved today. Look.
Look at him. He shaved today. He's looking good, eh?
Oh, yeah, I know.
He's an Italian stallion.
A lot of wrinkle.
A lot of wrinkles, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, you're still my hero.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
You are my hero.
I like to be a hero.
I love you.
Hey, that's good even. To be loved.
They love you.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, are we going to get into the show?
Yeah, okay.
Everybody's talking to you here. They want to know where Bitcoin is going to go, up or down.
Up.
Up?
Yeah.
Still?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to the moon, guys.
Yeah, well,
That's the only way it's going to go.
why not?
Making...
Go. Up. Everybody's going down. I'm going down.
Yeah?
I'm, you know.
You're doing great. You're a young man.
Yeah, sure. My days are numbered, so take advantage of me. Believe me.
He said his days are numbered. Take advantage.
And
Make lots of money.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't know if I could say that.
You're good.
No? Okay. Oh, nice.
My hands are really warm. He gets cold, so we always got to keep no warm.
Oh, well. I was born now.
They all love you, man.
I was born in January the 15th, you know?
January 15th.
It was cold then.
It was cold. In Canada, it's cold.
It never went away. It's still here.
So they want to look at the charts. You see the charts here?
Yeah.
Look, Bitcoin is going down a little bit, but it looks like it wants to bounce off of this. So it's going to come down. You see here, look, I draw. It's going to come down. It's going to bounce and continue its way up. Because you said it's going to go up, right?
Yeah, it has to.
It has to, right?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Gotta think positive.
Thinking positive is the only way.
Bright, beautiful day, isn't it?
In Canada, it's nice today.
Yeah.
Nice and warm. For March, anyways.
No. And a little cold. But
Yeah.
Not much.
Oh, that's good. Well, I'm going to go on with the show. Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Keep it up.
Keep up.
The work up.
Up and away. That's it.
Yeah.
Grazie.
Okay. Welcome.
There you go. Grazie, grazie, prego, prego.
Hey, go.
Ciao.
See ya.
There you guys go. Well, there you got it. You've got surprise show. What's going on, Crypto Blood? What's going on, everybody? No says go long. Look at the retest we're getting right now. My camera wasn't working with the background removal. Let's see if I can get it to work now. Broadcast. Let's see. No, so it's not letting me change it. So I'm just going to put myself in the corner and we can still do the stream, guys. There you have it. Special VIPs. I mean, No's got the calls, man. Up and away. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I mean, we said we were going to give you guys more of an in look on our lives. We're doing vlogs and stuff like that, but it's going to be special for me to one day look back on these videos of my grandfather and I getting to share this beautiful journey of Bitcoin. And, I've tried to, it's hard to explain it to my granddad, but he understands. He knows. He talks about whenever we talk about Bitcoin, he always talks about how he used to be able to buy a loaf of bread and an ice cream for 5 cents when he came off the boat in Canada from Italy, okay? So imagine that. You land in a country where you can buy a house for $15,000. You can get a job by just going to a board and saying, hey, I want to work, right? You get employed. He started digging the subway tunnels in Toronto, okay? Man dug the subway tunnels by hand. He tells me stories about when he used to be stuck in the mud in the subway tunnels and how shit it was. But he did it to provide for his family, right? So it goes to show you what inflation has done to our almighty dollar in Canada, in the U.S., across the world. And this is why we have Bitcoin today. So I'm a firm believer in self-banking, self-sovereignty, all this freedom that we do enjoy. And then how it's our responsibility to educate the masses on escaping this crazy, crazy suppression of inflation and the printing of dollars. Okay, so it's very beautiful to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let's jump into the charts. What are we looking at for Bitcoin? Throw some alts in the chat. In and out crypto, what's going on? Rocco, 12 Big Dal, Jorn Besser, off near crypto, Nick Musgrave, all you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let's get it. Throw your alts. We'll look at your alts. Solana had a nice move today. We had a nice bunch of moves today. Bitcoin looks like it's trying to break out here. Elon Musk could be buying and putting Bitcoin on Tesla's balance sheet. Pretty wild day to be within this market. Okay, so for me right now, we didn't give any exact trade setups, but we did give the idea this morning on, oh man, Crypto Blood with the $20 super chat. That isn't even, that's like 100 Canadian dollars, my man. Oh, God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for having me on your show today. Guys, if you ain't hanging out with Blood, I don't know what you're doing, man. You guys get educated, man, and get yourselves over to Crypto Blood. Subscribe to his channel. Follow him on Twitter. I mean, the man's been around, okay? This guy knows about Mount Gox. This guy knows, if you want an edge in the market, you got to be, respect your elders, but it's not even about that. It's people with experience, my friends. People with experience. I always preach experience is where it's at, man. Go and sub to Crypto Blood. Thank you so much for the $20 super chat, man. God bless you, bro. God bless you, man. Thank you so much, man. Amazing. So thank you, bro. But we were talking about this, and he asked me if I could, before the halving, if Bitcoin could hit 100K. And I said, yeah, of course it can. Of course it can. Let's say Elon Musk says he's buying Bitcoin. And let's say Saudi Arabia is buying Bitcoin. What do you think is going to happen to the price? People want to compete with BlackRock, okay? It's not like he is a massive asset manager. Don't get it twisted, Mr. Fink himself. But anything's possible in Bitcoin. Anything's possible. So if we're looking for 72,000 right now, and if you take this bull pennant thingy mabobber, you know us beautiful people using crazy technical analysis to predict price moves, okay? We pull this beautiful flag. We flying, okay? We flying, okay? Depending on where you want to aim this target, okay? Depending on where you want to aim this target. I'm looking at 72,000, little liquidity sweep. Right now, we can see that we do have a beautiful kind of symmetrical triangle here looking to break out, but no real decision has been made. We gave the long from down below, okay? We gave the long. You go to the TA here, and you can see we were looking for this. I'm not taking this. I'm too tired, but might be an idea. Low volume right now. Want to see clear break of structure before heading up, okay? And that was the trade setup from down below, and that, guys, banged, okay? We've been banging trades left, right, and center with these Bitcoin calls, and it's been pretty spot on. Now, Solana had a big pump today. We did not catch the Solana pump, but we have caught quite a few beautiful trades. And this was the trade here. We said the long from down here. We wanted to see that clear break of structure. So what do I mean when I say clear break of structure? Well, I like to go on the 5-minute, and I'd just like to dissect this a little bit here for you guys. Where is the break of structure? When you're looking at this, guys, where is the break of structure? Okay, so we get the lower low here. So that's your lower low here, right? So you're looking for lower low, higher highs, okay? Bang, 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 you got it. Okay, you got your bullish divergence at a key level of support that we have marked out. There's your first indication that we're reversing. Secondly, we do a double top here. We come back down. We sweep the liquidity here, right? And then our indication to long is literally right here. This is our break of structure right here, okay? Because we can see we got a higher high, a higher low. Okay, reversal, but a lower low here. Then the break of structure is right there. So you can see it takes out this high here, giving us the idea of an upwards movement. Now, the trade setup was given back here. So this would have taken you a lot of waiting time. I was ready for bed last night. I carried 50 sheets of drywall into the house, and you would have been in this trade, okay? So there's many different ways of looking at trading, depending if you're like me, intraday, in and out, good boy scout, getting that money real quick, right? Trying to make that money and get on to other things during the day. That's me. So today, I was looking at this breakout retest, okay? But we knew Jerome Powell was speaking at 10 a.m. Okay, if you're aware, you're aware. You got to know what's going on in the news because that brought volatility. Then we got the actual move, the retest, then the breakout, and was able to scalp this little breakout to the upside here, and I took profits quick, right? And I got in and out, and I paid myself. So there's many different ways to trade this. However, you got to develop your backtesting and your strategy for yourself, but it's also very important to note when and where you're looking to trade, what your sentiment is, and where you want the probabilities to be in your favor by doing a top-down analysis, okay? Jerome Pow Pow, Jer Pow Pow. What's going on, Benny? Good to see you. Good to see you, Benny. You should bang trades frequently. I hear they'll go down on you. Oh, man. Brumbalo, much love to you, my friend. Hope you're doing well. He called us old blood. Experienced, okay? You guys are experienced, man. I ain't calling you guys old, man. You guys are all legends, man. We'll call No-No's old. He'll tell you himself, right? He'll tell you himself. We got 60 people in here, 27 likes. Let's get that cranked up, guys. We got to get more people on this show, man, and spread the love. So let's do top-down analysis. We were looking at the daily coming up here, looking extra bullish this morning, right? So we'll get the print of this candle. Let's see how it turns out to be. For me, I'm anticipating the zero line to get tapped for this next daily print. And why is that? Well, when we look at this candle, let's get rid of this stuff on the beautiful screen so that it's a clean chart. We always like a clean chart. So we getting a bullish candle. This is how we front run long-term time frames, is that we can see that this candle today is, not extremely bullish, but it's moving to the upside. It's open and closing in a positive manner, which does tell me that we have upwards trajectory for our VWAP to print positively, looking to cross over the zero line. So this looks positive in my opinion. Now, that is a good tall tale that we are looking for more upside. Now we go to the 12-hour. The 12-hour is across the zero line, and we're getting the green dot print, okay? Now we'll get a confirmation of this green dot the same time as the daily. So in 2 hours and 40 minutes, right? So that gives me the indication that we could be looking for more upside. This also is a positive looking candle. Yeah, a little bit of a rejection down, but nonetheless, if we close above this candle here from previous, we're going to be looking bullish, okay? Flipping down to the 5-hour, let's get a look. Now, with the 5-hour, we can see a little bit of extension over where the VWAP's coming down, so we could be looking for a push up and a rejection. Now, what do I mean by that? For me, we want to see a very clear topping pattern, okay? So we've had the push up, all-time highs, hit or not hit. It doesn't matter if it was hit or not hit. We're here to make money and trade the range, okay? So what do we expect? We get the sell-off, everybody gets liquidated and ruined, and now it's climbed back up. We are looking for that swing failure pattern with a bearish divergence. This is going to be the topping signal. Until we get that, I expect a flag out and a continuation to the upside. Until that is proven wrong, I don't see any reason why not to be favoring the longs, okay? Also, another indication, if we do roll over here and we take out these lows, okay, we take out these lows and start putting in that downwards trajectory structure, we could be looking for lower prices. But until then, we wait for the swing failure pattern, bearish divergence, very big topping swing failure pattern. That's what we want to see if we are to continue down, okay? Now, we do have some key levels that we are anticipating if we come down, and I can just share this with the Discord as well. And you guys know to just look at the right-hand side. I don't have to put a label on all these. So I'll share this after the stream so you guys have my key levels. And then we have some above us here that we are looking to target. Where are they? Extension levels. Okay, I'll get those up for you guys in the Discord as well. Okay, so we are looking for some higher prices. But right now, I'm targeting a swing failure pattern up at the tops around 68,800. Whew! What a day to be in Bitcoin, guys. David Gelfand. Well, we're gelling, okay? We're gelling. Welcome Mr. David. Thank you for coming and hanging out with the Otter gang. We all here trying to profit from these crazy markets, and we've been doing a great job ever since. So we're glad that you're here, and Blood's family, man. So thank you and welcome to the Alex O Crypto Show, where we try to have some fun, but also we like to make that bank, right? We always making that money. Automatic street credit. Blood, are you front running that street cred with the Blood analytics, man? Okay, so you can see this beautiful retest here on the 3 hour, 2 hour, same thing, retest. So for me right now, we want to see this support hold. We have a key level of support right at 67,300, and we'll see if that can continue to push up, right? We are looking for a sell right here, but expect a little bit of a cool down as the trading day comes to an end, right? So a little bit of patience here. We hear rumors of Elon Musk. We hear, a lot of people suggesting that we're topping, we're coming down, but then we have the we're going to 100,000 Alex O cryptos in the chat, just saying, we're going to the moon, right? We're going to the moon, up and away, as Nono would say. So mixed messages. We'll trade the range and we'll continue to make money here. Now, guys, throw some alts in there. I'm going to go over Solana. Okay, I'm going to go over Solana. We have our key levels for Bitcoin. We're all good there. So we're favoring long-term. We're favoring upside. It looks like we're getting a little bit of a crossover. The next is a green dot. Short-term timeframes, expect a little bit of a consolidation. And the more we chop sideways, the more we have an opportunity for things to reset and really give us a launch pad for a nice long. Okay? Let's go over to Solana, because Solana, bobana de fifa, bobana, boom, 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 had a beautiful move today, and we were targeting $154, but we'll look at Solana. We have a lot of levels for you guys here in Solana, looking to make sure that you guys are well informed, so that we are well informed as a community. And I love that you guys are throwing all those alts in the chat, guys. Much love to you. And if you don't have an alt, maybe just chuck an Otter in there, because, the Otter gang. Thank you guys for showing up for me. I always appreciate it when we go into someone else's live streams. I love the plethora of Otters that I always see, man. And that means a lot to me, guys, that you guys show up for me, because I'll always show up for you guys. So we were targeting 154, but we said we have a key level of resistance right before this gap here at 149. And guys, the TA just banging, okay? So Solana had that move, beautiful V-shaped recovery into consolidation, into a pump, okay? Very, very nice move. So we can see we've gotten that beautiful move up to this key level of resistance, right? Resistance, where we're looking for Solana to continue its push up. However, a cool down is always a good idea. You can see that we are getting a little bit toppy here, where we're making a higher high and a lower low here on the oscillator, man. So it is looking good. Thank you so much, B Team Crypto, with the memberships. My guy, bro. My guy. B Team Crypto's gifted 2 memberships. I missed the first one. I'm sorry about that. Much love to you, B Team Crypto. God bless you, bro. Thank you for being a real OG, being part of the community. We just made you a mod, and now you're just giving away memberships, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for being a part and, bringing more Otters on board, man. Bringing more Otters on board. And your take on Palm AI, man, I'll take a look for you. No problem. Thanks for that $2 super chat as well. Off near crypto. We'll definitely take a look at that after Solana. And then I'm going to hopefully get all of your alts in order and do some TA on those as well. Okay, going over Solana here. We got that rejected at a perfect level. Now, this is the thing, man. When the levels bang like this, you got to toot your horn, all right? You got to toot your horn where you're like, okay, we have 369. We were talking about 43, 46, and 9, 49, right? 369, damn fine. I know you guys heard me saying that the other day, right? So now we're coming back down to the 43 level, right? So the 9 was the key level into this green box that we were talking about. Now we can pull a fib. Let's go into the 30-minute. We got this beautiful momentum trend line coming up right now. Now we're going to go from where the move started to the top. Okay, grab your fib. Go from the lowest point of where the move started. We're not going from down here. We're going from where the move started. And we're picking a retracement golden pocket, right? So we're going to go from where the move started. Boom, right? And then we're going to target the beautiful, beautiful golden pocket 786 in line with our trend line. And that would be my beautiful bounce level, right? My beautiful bounce level. We could go off of this support line, but let's bring that down a little bit just to give ourselves some confluence here. We do have the previous top over here, which is confluence, and a candle close over here. So a retest of the highs is always something I stress to everyone, is that we typically come back and revisit the highs from before, and that would be a perfect retest of these highs here. So Solana, amazing move up. However, looking like a little bit of a double top here, cooling off. It looks like it's about to break structure to the downside, which just would suggest that a break of structure means a continuation downwards and then possibly a pop off from where we have targeted just now. So very, very nice move for Solana recently, looking to continue its work upwards. Retro Mike, member for 2 months, Otter Gang OG, my man. Hope you're doing well, my brother. Hope you're doing well. Retro Mike Tech, RMT. Let's see some RMTs in the chat. Man's always coming through. Killing it. Killing it. So we're going to go and look at this Palm AI. I've never looked at this, so you're going to get some special treatment. Palm AI. Here we are, man. MEXC. Yeah, I think MEXC is the only one we got. USDT Palm AI. Let's go. Pamela Henderson. Oh, I said it. I said it, guys. I couldn't reframe. Okay. Sometimes it just comes out, man. It just comes out. So what are we gonna do, guys? How do we always set it up, right? We identify key levels of support and resistance. Let's expand this a little bit. We got some topping signals here. Okay, we got some nice support down here. You can see I would go here and I would go here. Very, very beautiful. And then I would go here. Okay, now we're gonna match up these support and resistance lines with volume. Okay, expand the volume, find the shelves, right? So you see this one here? We move this one up to where this one is here. So I don't need market cipher open for this. So we move this one up to here, right? So this is more of a shelf, right? Now I missed this one. You see this big volume here? So I'm going to match this one up with a candle close. It can either be up here or down here, but I'm going to go with this one closer to price, right? And then you can see a big one over here as well, okay? Then if we go up, we can see there is some key levels over here and here. So this is going to be an entry into this level as well, okay? And just isolating price and kind of getting an idea of where it needs to break through, where it needs to go in order to remain bullish into the upside. Now you can see clear downtrend, possible uptrend. Okay, so big time frame, uptrend, right? Lower time frame or medium time frame, sorry, downtrend, right? Short-term time frame, possibly a reversal in here. We're looking on the daily, right? So downtrend. We're going to go to the 4 hour. Let's identify this downtrend. Look at this. So now we've identified possible big uptrend, right? Downtrend here. We can track. Let's go to the top here all the way down. Okay, we can see a little bit of a breakout attempt and now a retest and then a continuation upwards, okay? Getting above key levels of resistance, which is now hopefully flipped to support. Your next level above here is going to be 0048, okay? And if this is AI, man, AI can run. And this is very, very Wicky. John Wick's grandmother lives here. She's probably not too happy that price has been this suppressed. So you can see a little bit of a bottoming formation here. Now, money flow suggests that we need to start seeing this curvature come back to reality. Okay, we can see that we got the lower low anchor trigger wave coming back at us. However, we really want to see strong market structure forming. Okay, so I'll go on the 1 hour here. We're looking at this W higher high, right, or higher low. We still have yet to make a higher high, so we're gonna have to come up to this key level of resistance. If it does not happen, we know that our buy zones are 0038, 36, 33, 31. So there's a lot of support underneath here, and then quite a nice move up to a beautiful, that's 23%, up to the next level of resistance. Okay, so something like this I would not trade. I would buy this on spot, and if you believe in the narrative and the tokenomics and all that stuff, you can be looking for higher prices. Now on the hourly, you can see money is coming back in. Okay, you can see it's flipped green here, down here as well. You can see where it's flipped green down below as well. So this is looking like it wants to push, flag up, consolidation outwards, push to the upside. Okay, so that's what I'd be looking for. Palm, thank you so much for the super chat. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. So now let's go. We need a buzzer to get his attention. Is that the right chart? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wrong coin. That's not the one. Oh, man. I'm normally looking at the chart. Time to spam his name. I just wanted the chat to blow up. Oh, man. I just went off, eh? Which one is it, guys? Palm AI USDT. Guys, you can't be rugging me like that, guys. Palm AI. Dude, this looks totally different, man. And I'm out. I'm leaving. I'm retiring. Forget about it. I'm out of here. I'm going to go and trade. And that's enough from me, man. Oh, man. Well. And that's all, folks. So let's go over Palm AI again. I got so excited, man. This is just buy it, man. Just here, buy it and get rugged, okay? That's what I'm telling you right now, okay? Palm AI. Guys, it has the name AI in it. Just buy it, okay? That's the TA, man. Billy Goat Tails, BioMex in the chat. What's going on? Them coming through, man. They're coming through. Otter Gang, welcome to the Otter Gang show, man. This is their show, not mine. Palm AI, flagging out, breaking out. Flagging out, breaking out, right? So what is your next expectation, guys? I mean, you guys should make Billy Goat Tails AI, okay? Just put AI at the bottom of. I'm gonna change my channel name, AI Alexo Crypto, and it's just gonna pump, baby. Let's see some goats and some crypto billies in the chat, man. I'm gonna participate in that. God bless you, Billy. Hope you're feeling better. I know you were sick a couple weeks ago. Billy Goat Tails, guys, Tuesday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Givers Gain. It's what we're all about, man. It's what we're all about. And my friend Nick Musgrave coming through with the ultimate gift to me, man. Thank you for going through those alts. Nick Musgrave, my man. I appreciate you. Hola, hola, hola. Oi, oi, oi. So looking at Palm AI for my man. Thank you for the super chat yet again. But yeah, moving up, flagging out, moving up, flagging out. We just had a serious pump from AI. So what would I expect is a retest, right? So a retest of probably this flag here. Let's look at the daily, or let's look at the 12-hour. I know there's not a lot of data here. We're not even getting anything on Market Cypher. Okay, so we can see a little bit of topping, wanting to cool off here on Market Cypher, also wanting to continue its move up, man. You can't deny All in for Alex O Crypto. Crypto Billy, member for 2 months, man. Thank you so much, Billy. I mean, we've only had like 2 months of monetization. So I mean, Billy, you from the bottom of my heart, you're a real OG. Anyways, much love to you, brother. Hope you're doing well. The OC guy says AI Alex AI Crypto AI new coin. This is the way, man. Guys, if you want adoption, just put AI in your name, man. You guys will be good to go. So looking at Palm AI here, it looks like it wants to continue. You want to see the retest, right? So you typically want to see it come back and continue its work upwards. It's going to be driven by other AI coins, right? Anything with the AI name, you can see consolidation, breakout. Now we're expecting consolidation, breakout. Amazing move. I would do some research into the tokenomics and what use case this has. Okay, I'm not educated on this coin to give you any false information, but it has AI in the name. It's making a symmetrical triangle, as you can see, looking to break out, right? Like OC guy is definitely all good AI Alexo. God bless you, Billy. AI Crypto Billy in the chat, guys. Hello, Mr. Roboto. But yeah, it's looking like it wants to break out yet again. Like you wait for that quick breakout. You typically get a retest when you get the breakout, right? So if I were to go into like a 5 minute and I'm looking to trade this, you can see here, you get the breakout and the retest, right? Breakout and the retest. Typically how it goes. And then you look at the other AI narratives and see if they're pumping as well, and you follow trend, right? So you get the breakout, the retest, the continuation, right? And then you track your momentum on the upside. Same with here. Now you're getting a flag, right? You can make this a little bit tighter. However, you want to draw it, and you wait for that same kind of deal. This is actually looking a little bit like a cup and handle to the upside, right? So if you wait for that, and then you flag out here, right? You're waiting for that same breakout on the way up. Glad we got to the right coin in the end. Looking at Render. Render, my target for Render is $16. Call me crazy, man. Call me crazy. I don't care what you call me. As long as you are smashing that like. We got 68 people in the chat and 44 likes. We're going to continue to go through all of your beautiful, beautiful, beautiful altcoins, guys. Because, that's how we roll. That's how we roll. Render pumping up. We know the AI coins, right? We got FET pumping up. We got AGIX pumping up, right? Render, BitTensor, Tau, GRT, not GMT, GRT, right? So much love to all the AIs. I mean, AI Alexo Cryptos in the house, right? So we're going to go over those alts. First up, I saw was Rune. Let's go over to Rune. We got some key levels of support and resistance on Rune as well. Guys, let me know, is Rune an AI coin too? Is Rune AI? Like, am I missing something? Oh man, too good. So we can see Rune here is definitely flying off the handles. We have some key levels of support and resistance. Let's mark out these highs as well. Or we could just bring this one down. Let's bring this one down. Previous highs here. We are pushing, man. We are pushing. Now, something like this, guys, we know Rune is very volatile, and when it moves, but also when it wicks out, right? So we can see that trading something like this is typically difficult, right? Where we did have key levels, and we have a lot of horizontals here, but we hit perfectly on these key levels. Our buy zone was at $4.50. We blasted right through that, and now we are continuing to AI Rune to the moon. Okay, so Rune is looking to break through these highs in sort of a discovery mode, breaking these highs here, continue its way backwards. So what do I always suggest with something like this? We mark out the highs at key levels of support and resistance, which is going to be this level here, right around $6.58. Okay, our key level of support, if we do lose that, is going to be at $6.27. Okay, so we have a couple levels here, and then above us on Rune, we also have $7.38. That could be a potential target to the upside. Okay, AI Rune +1. Game starter says the cut. What's going on? Your investor. Can we do Radium 2? Possibly. Let's see if we get to it today. Darren does things in the chat. My man, hope you're doing well. I'm up 300% up on Rune on a 10x, like 30% up in 2 days. My guy. Killing it, bro. Killing it. I love seeing you guys win, man. Rune is looking like it wants to continue up. 738. Beautiful bottoming pattern here. Money is in the green. Anytime the money is in the green on a 4 hour and you get these dips below, which we had here, you can see it's fired off. A little bit overextended right now, but like I said, look at these levels for the retest and continuation on Rune, okay? And that's going to be what I think for Rune. Now I see Shiba Inu. We got some memes, guys. We got some memes. So I'm going to ask you guys a question here. If you had to pick one, we got 3 options here. If you guys had to pick one, I'll give you 4 options, but I know you're not going to pick the last one. You have to pick one narrative. What one are you picking? Poll starting now, and we'll talk about it at the end of the show. What one? AI, memes, gaming, BTC. You're only allowed to pick one. Let me know which one you guys are picking. I'm AI Alex O Crypto. D Jenny from the blockchain showing up. Much love to you, my friend. Let's go over to Shiba Inu, okay? We got Shib here kind of suppressed, right? Kind of not running the same kind of narrative right now, looking like it might want to cool off. Yeah, a little bit overextended, money coming out on the 4 hour. Parabolic uptrend, okay? Parabolic uptrend easily tracked here. We've broken out of that, and now it looks like symmetrical triangles all around, okay? We can see we are definitely getting a symmetrical triangle here. And if you click Control-Shift, you can duplicate these, right? You guys know that? Control-Shift, 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 and you get lots of beautiful trend lines. So if you are looking to do channels or anything really fast, Control-Shift, click it again, and it will duplicate that beautiful trend line that you just made, right? So a little bit of a trick there for you guys if you're wondering how you draw a lot of trend lines so quickly. But you can see this here, decision mode to be made, right? If you lose this, where you're coming back on Shiba, support and resistance. With these meme coins, be very, very smart with not over leveraging, protecting your downside and giving yourself enough room to ride the gains, right? So right now, in a very critical decision point on Shiba, looking to pop up. Let's go to the 2 hour. Maybe we get a little bit more data here. Yeah, so you can see money flow is coming out, but you are getting a little bit of a red dot here, looking to cross over to the 0 line, okay? Looking to cross over the 0 line, might lose this support, and then I would look for the retest back down to here. 0.000000000 23.65. So yeah, you want to be very cautious with things like this. We know these have ran, okay? Myro, same thing. Pepe, Cockinu, a little bit of a push up today. Pepe, Bonk, right? So there's lots to be watching here, but wait for Elon to buy Bitcoin and to say Dogecoin is on the payments. Marv has, thank you so much for the $5 super chat. God bless you, man. Thank you. AI, much thanks, man. Or is that an AL like Alex O Crypto? Much thanks. Thank you so much, Marv, for the $5 super chat. God bless, man. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. And thanks for supporting the channel, man. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me. Next, we got XRP. Oh, my God. You guys are doing it to me. You guys are doing it to me. That's okay. That's okay. We can look at the stable coin. I mean, the beautiful coin that's going to get massive adoption and going to go to the moon. That one. Guys, this thing is ugly. Look at these wicks, man. John Wick's grandmother living here, hanging out all the time. We have a key level of resistance at this key level here. Guys, this is hard to trade. We are coming up to key level of resistance, okay? 64. We've had it marked out. I haven't changed my XRP charts since, like, we dropped down in the bear market, guys. I haven't foxed with this at all. And you can see you're in this kind of upwards trend line here. right? All the way up here, kind of staying above it. You got that 48 cents line in the sand. I was like, that's your buy zone if you want to. If you really want to, this is where you could probably buy the XRP. But I ain't doing it. You can hold my beam bag while I watch your XRP bag, okay? But yeah, definitely it's had a pushback, and a lot of people, $1.50 XRP, sure, why not? Adoption, payment system, all that kind of stuff, whatever you want to. For me, it's not for me. Okay, for me, it's coming up here. Can't give you any hopium because they wouldn't want to do that to you. So right now you can see anchor trigger pushing its way up. Money's coming in. Okay, you can see the V-shaped recovery occurring just like everything else. It had this beautiful run, guys, on the way up here, and then it lost support, and now it's trying to trickle its way back up. What you really want to see with XRP is for it to get above here, hold it as support, and then you're kind of looking for a bigger move, right? So far, pretty suppressed, right? Literally, this was the XRP court case right here. You want to see it start to get above and start trading within this range up here, okay? And that's between 64 and 93, okay? Can it get up here? Yeah, of course it can get up here. I mean, there's still a massive army behind this stuff, but right now, we be cautious. Okay, we be cautious. Cluck, Jasmine to the moon. Givers gain, man. Guys, Crypto Pollo, man. The chicken gave the alpha today, guys. If credit's given where it's due, okay? I said, Crypto Pollo, great call on the Jasmine trade today. He shared it with the Discord this morning. If you took it, you made that bank, man. Morning, peeps. For all those who love wedgies. You guys love a wedgie because Crypto Pollo giving you guys the wedgie trade setup, guys. All those chickens in the chat, guys. Let's see those chickens in the chat. I'm going to throw some up. Thank you so much for sharing some alpha with us. The chicken's got a couple of cluck motherfuckers up his sleeve. Let's go, man. So amazing. B Team Crypto says, love your positive attitude. Much love to you, B Team, man. We always try to keep it fresh here. I mean, honesty, transparency, a life of freedom, positive attitude, giver's game mentality, great community, OC guy, Crypto Billy. So many good people here. This is where you want to be, man. You want to be surrounded with people who are telling you the truth, who are giving you what they're doing, who are profitable traders helping traders. That's what we got on here. I mean, we take in trades daily, right? So we are all benefiting, all helping each other. Massive community. All we got is each other to help each other grow and be better people, and that's what it's all about here, man. It's all about that. I mean, there ain't no place preaching like that, and I ain't here to preach. I'm here to try and teach and share what I've built for myself. So let's see if XRP can break out of this triangle and go to the upside and give you guys some hopium, man. Give you guys some hopium. Let's go to Algorand. Oh, man, you guys are doing me in with this stuff, man. I love it. Keep throwing them at me, man. I'd be like, if you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge if you can dodge a car, you can dodge a wrench. Okay, someone I know pointed out an inverse head and shoulders on Algorand. Guys, this is a weekly chart, okay? This is a weekly chart. If this breaks, guys, we're looking at some nasty, massive moves. Guys, look at this thing. The measure move is 79.80 cents, guys. Ooh-wee. Looking pretty wild. TRD Farmer, I sold my cock in you. I wasn't about to participate in that. But yes, I did buy some back in December. AVAX chain, it was a headache, and then I was like, you know what, forget about it. I spent $1,000 on Bonk, Pepe, Cock, Sneck, and Myro, and I've sold the Cock and the Bonk. I still got Pepe, Sneck, and Myro. Okay, those are my $1,000 participation in the meme coins, man. But that's it. So Algo looks like it's breaking out. This is looking pretty incredible. Okay. To all you Algo, I think it's Algo fam. I can't get on. I don't know if it's a generational thing. Yo, what's good, fam? Like that just. I can't say it, man. Family. It's called family. You guys are family to me. So look at this big move to the upside, looking like it wants to push. Okay, Algorand. Let's go, man. Let's do a little fib extension here or fib retracement. We can see we're hitting our first target here on our extension levels here on Algorand. Let's go over to previous data, and look at that. We're hitting a key level of resistance, guys. Resistance, like the French resistance, parlez français, oui, oui. Okay, and we have some key levels here that we'll mark out with our volume so that we are also prepared as price moves up here. And then we'll go back to life, back to reality. Back to life, back to reality. Let's go. So Algo's looking like it wants to break out. We got some key levels for you guys here. For spots for take profits, because I know you guys long this, okay? You got that big liquidity sweep, V-shaped recovery, pumping to the upside. You can see that this thing is absolutely ripping right now. Very, very nice move. Looking like it wants to continue. Look for the retest of the highs. It might have done it just now. So looking at the 1 hour, let's go. Let's see. So the push out. Okay, you can see this beautiful uptrend V-shaped recovery, the push out, the retest, now the continuation. Now, you know, we have a little bit of resistance in front of us. So we look for the rejection off of the resistance and then the retest of the highs, right? So for me, I'd be pulling a fib from swing low to swing high off of the resistance, depending on how high it gets. And then I'd be targeting the golden pocket /786 for retracement bounce, okay? And by doing this, you set yourself up for success. But we do know, after doing this analysis, that this is the entry into higher prices. So this is going to be difficult for Algo to get above, okay? Difficult. We need to see some power here in Algorand because we can clearly see right here of how much resistance has been formed here. Even in the bull or bear market, you can see we came up and we wicked into this zone. So this level here, right around 30 cents, is going to be very hard to penetrate to the upside. Okay, so for me, we look for it to be held down a little bit, maybe a little bit of a flag out here, where we look for that continuation with some force to break through. Okay, something like that for Algorand. Let's go. Let's go. Where's Allset? Missing out on the algo talk. I don't know. We're doing the algo talk, and hopefully we algo it to the moon. Much love to you guys. So let's go over. Thank you so much, Musgrave, for doing the list of things that we want to look at. So we're going over to Flare, then Jupiter, then AGIX. Now, Flare. We don't have that much time, guys. We don't have that much time. So we're going to try and do this as quick as possible for you guys. Bitstamp, Euro, USDT. Flare. We'll come back to Flare. Let's do Jupiter. Maybe you guys, whoever requested Flare, can put the ticker in there. That would be great. That would help me out a lot. Jupiter. Whew, what a move. So I was looking at Jupiter actually this morning with OC Guy. Look at that. Just textbook cup and handle, right? Textbook cup and handle. The breakout of the downwards trend line, moving to the upside. Massive breakout for Jupiter. Looking real good, okay? So beautiful cup and handle. Breakout here. Let's see if we can get some levels in the short-term time frame for Jupiter. We can always note that, the previous highs is always an interest, okay? And then if we go back here and look at the 10-hour, let's find some, there's no data back here. Maybe I'll have to look at it on KuCoin or something like that. Let's see. Jupe. Same thing? Okay, nope. Different. See, KuCoin sometimes lists earlier than other alts. Whew. Sorry, guys. Trying to flip through this quick for you guys. So we have a wick here. Very limited data, right? So we have a wick here and a wick here as well, and some wicks down here. Okay, now let's go back to the price action. Look at that. We had a stall out here. So for me, retest of probably these areas would be ideal. I would suggest this one. Ooh, 69. Let's go. Let's go. And we're looking for some topping, right? Some topping of this. And we can see a little bit here where we're getting higher highs and lower lows. Okay. So that's a little bit of toppiness. We want to see that very clearly defined topping signal where we come back and retest to continue its work upwards. Right now, no trade. Just be patient. Let the price consolidate. It typically will. It'll flag out, and that will be your opportunity to get into a long position. Wait for that reset and that continued move, okay? Very, very nice move. FLR, did you say? FLR says, Mr. Besser, FLR Flare, I believe. Hopefully we got the right token. We did waste 10 minutes of your time doing the wrong TA on a wrong token. So if you guys are desperate, please just throw it in there. I will stay late and I will do your token for you if you really need it, okay? But I will do a little bit extra today because I did go off on a tangent on something that was a different coin. So looking this here, we can see the beautiful push here on Flare coming up, pushing out of this downwards trend line, looking like money is coming back into this token. You know, the beautiful sell-off here, then the climb back up, coming up. And we can adjust actually this downwards trend line here. Let's bring it out a little bit so that we can try to be a bit more accurate. That's what I'd be looking for there. Let's do it with the Wicks, John Wicks. You know, we love John Wicks. And we would look for the breakout of this downtrend, right? Clearly medium term downtrend, long term uptrend, right? So our big outlook is an uptrend, but our most recent is a little bit of a retracement, right? Coming back, retesting the highs, right? So we have that level there. We have this level here. Now let's sandwich it in. Let's pull volume within this range. And let's see where we want to see price get above. Now, that's important. You can see here, key level of resistance, key level of resistance, okay? Key level of support and point of control, right? So now we've kind of isolated the price where we want to see Flare get above this 4.2 cents and stay above 4 cents, right? So that's going to be your area. And once we break through here, this big gap will signify a quick move. So if we get above here, we flip this to support up to 4.5 cents is going to be a very easy move. Let's look for that. Otherwise, we're looking for a swing failure pattern with a bullish divergence, something like that to the upside. Okay, anchor trigger wave, right? Where we're looking for that. So very good for Flare, good recovery. Now let's see if it can continue to push its way upwards. Okay, AGIX, let's go over to AGIX. Go over to that beautiful AI token, and it's going to the moon, okay? We were looking at AGIX this morning, so big push up. That $1.25 was a key level of resistance. It's hit it. It hasn't been able to break out. So for me right now on AGIX, we're looking for consolidation downwards and then retesting the previous highs at $1.03. Now that we're above $1, that's going to be a very psychological level for us to fall through. So this is going to act as a very key level of support as we work our way upwards. So we're looking for a flag down, right? Some sort of flag down where we get price working back up. And we can either look for the long here or we can look for the breakout and the push past this $1.25 area of key resistance. And that's what I got for AGIX. And then the last but not least, what do we got? We got DOT and Game Starter. Game Starter. I think this is the one. Hopefully it's the one. going over to Game Starter. Thank you guys for holding up and waiting with me, man. I appreciate every single one of you. If you don't mind smashing that like, we staying late for you guys. We trying to get you guys as much alpha as we can before we head off and make some beautiful dinner because we starving, man. We starving. So you can see you're in a clear uptrend here on Game Starter, looking to continue its work through this triangle and break out, right? So that's what I would like to see. On Game Starter, very scammy wiki action. So for me, it's about protecting yourself before you wreck yourself kind of deal on Game Starter here, looking to continue its work upwards. Yeah, very, very choppy. So for me right now, you have our key resistance, you have your key support, and that's how I would look to be. I wouldn't be trading this, right? I'd be looking for a spot buy around 25 cents. That would be my ideal buying area. And if we do fall below that, then you're looking at these previous lows around 22 cents. Big resistance around 31 cents. And keep it simple. Ray, you guys are pushing it today. I love you guys, man. I love you all, man. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Okay. Ray, price. I thought it was initially in price discovery. We're going to pull this area for volume just because we have more data over here. So we have key resistance here. Support is here. Resistance here. Resistance here. Okay. Now let's go over to the dark side. And we can look for this retest. Look at this matching up with the highs. So Ray, you want to sandwich this. $1.40 is going to be your key level. You can also pull a fib from the start of this move all the way up to the top. Look at that golden pocket. Let's go. $1.40 continuation. That would be my ideal target for this to continue its work upwards. And then you have resistance above you at $1.52 and $1.60. And then your target, which I can't find right now. Yeah, let's say $1.60. But you also have tops over here, $1.70. But I would go for the $1.60. That would be quite a dramatic move here on Ray, looking to go to the upside. That's about 10% move. So nice move on Ray. That key level of support we're looking at $1.40, trying to push its way back up. You do have $1.52 and $1.62 as resistance. Now let's go over to DOT. Last but not least, Polkadot. Here we go. Let's see what DOT has in store for us. Now, I was talking to Blood about how DOT is so suppressed. If we go out on the weekly here, look at DOT. Okay, this is crazy. DOT should be up at around $22. Okay, if we're comparing apples to apples, this is where Ethereum and Bitcoin are hanging out, is up in this area before we got rugged, right? So you can see DOT has a lot of work to do. It's currently hitting on this key level of resistance right here, which is that wick down, right? But once we get into this zone right here, we don't have a lot of volume that's going to be interrupting a swift move up to about $16, okay? You can see here you have a couple stops on the way. I would mark out here and here, but believe me, there's not much resistance between DOT going from $10 to $16, okay? This is a beautiful move. You can see the V-shaped recovery and the blast off to the upside. Very nice move for DOT. Right now, we want to wait for a retest, right? We want to wait for the retest. V-shaped recovery coming up to the highs here. We want to wait for that sort of consolidation sideways retest here. We can see the, for me, I'd be waiting for something like this flagging out. I'm trying to hold above this $10.46. But I wouldn't be surprised if we do come back and revisit. Probably. Okay, we got highs here at 9.59. Okay, a little bit confusing here with the price action. So we got a lot of consolidation here. So for me, I would pull this area here to here. Yeah, so you have a very big volume node here. That would be my retest zone, would be right there. Where I'd be looking for price to come back to. And that is right at $9.96, okay? $9.96. would be my key level that I'm looking for that pullback. And that would be that 786/golden pocket zone. Okay. That's looking good for DOT. And then, like I said, if you're swing trading this, you got a very good move to the upside, looking to continue to push. Make sense? I think it makes sense. I think you guys are all legends. My God, we are bringing the fire. We have such a great community, guys. Thank you guys so much. Smashing that like button, subscribing if you're new. We continue to show up. We continue to make those update videos. I think you guys like the morning update videos. Make sure to let me know in the comments on those morning update videos that you did enjoy them and they are helping you guys out. But as traders, we keep helping each other, and I'm so grateful for this community. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you for all that you do by supporting this channel. I will see you guys in the free Discord, and we'll continue to make that bank. God bless you guys, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Peace. Wait. We didn't talk about what one would you hold? AI, meme, gaming, BTC. You guys said BTC and AI. Congratulations. I agree with you guys. AI, Alex O Crypto. Peace out, Mr. Roboto.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an Otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking what